Alright detectives, you have been assigned a very serious mission to help solve major problems in your community. It has been reported to our department that you have been working hard on multiplication facts and concepts. Therefore, the chief officer selected you to help members in our community who have been struggling with some problems that need to be handled immediately. It is all on you now to use all the clues possible to help save the daily life of the community. I know you're ready to start the mission, but hold on. Let me give you some tips first. Before you start, you should go to the evaluation section and review the rubric. The rubric will tell you what you will be assessed on at the end of the mission. Once you review the rubric, you can start the process. Keep in mind, you should use different sources to help you find as many clues as possible so you can complete your case. Also, make sure to work with your peer at all times so you can both help each other. Finally, I'm going to show you different tools that can help you complete your mission, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use each of those tools. So keep watching! In step number 4 of your process, you're going to select the tool that will help you solve the multiplication problems. The first tool that you can use is the connecting cubes. You access the connecting cubes by clicking on this icon, and you will first have to select grade 3. And under manipulatives, you're going to find the connecting cubes all the way at the bottom. You are going to use the cubes by clicking on any color that you like and dragging it to the white space. So if you have two groups of 2, for example, in your problem, you're going to drag 2 different cubes in one group and then 2 other cubes in another group. To clear the objects from the page, you're going to click on Clear Objects at the bottom of the page. Instead of using the connecting cubes, you can use drawing as a tool to visualize your multiplication problem. If you click on this icon, you'll go back to the same website, and in this case, you can click on the pen tool and pick the color that you like to draw a picture to visualize your multiplication problem. If you have 2 groups of 3, for example, you can go ahead and draw 2 different groups, and each group would have 3 different items, and that will show you the repeated addition in your multiplication problem. As always, you can use the classroom whiteboards and markers to draw your picture instead of using the website. Another great tool that you can use to solve your problems is rectangle multiplication. If you click on this icon, you will go to rectangle multiplication, and you can adjust the buttons on the sides to visualize the groups in your problem. If you have 5 groups of 7, for example, you can slide this button up until you get to 5, and then slide this button to the side until you get to 7, and that shows you 5 times 7 or 7 times 5, which equals 35. If you prefer, you can use classroom manipulatives to solve your problems, and you can find those at the back rectangular table of your classroom. You will find cubes and counters and some other kinds, and you can use them to visualize your multiplication problem just as demonstrated in this picture right here. I hope these tips were helpful to you, but if you have any questions at any point during the WebQuest, don't hesitate to ask your teacher. Have fun!